Euro against US dollar this week has lost its value. We can see the week started with this bearish candle going further down and then making a bearish breakout below 1.16214, where the prices reached at 1.15847 support level, and from this area of support the price has retraced back up, going further, rising in value in the next 3 days, but very hardly. It was very hard for the price to reach the resistance level, where the price has tried to move up above 1.16214 resistance level. We can see that here on Friday, and the price has retraced back down, could not close the day above, which means there is still selling pressure that is pushing the price down. But also it's Friday, when the traders are locking their profits that has pushed the price from Wednesday to Friday, could not leave the open trades over the weekend, so they have closed, which has also triggered the sell-off, which means the price has returned back down. So this could be also potentially the reason why the price could not close the Friday above this area of resistance. Weekly time frame shows us that we have closed the week with a bearish candle. It is a bearish candle very close to the open close price of the previous week, and there is no wick on the upper side, small one, but on the lower side there is a larger wick, which means there was selling pressure pushing the price down, but we can see the price could not manage to go below this area 1.16 support level and below 1.158, which is also significant support level on the weekly time frame. Monthly time frame, we have one more week until this month closes. We can see it is still bearish candle movement on the chart, and as it looks right now, there is high potential that the price will stay as a bearish candle on the monthly time frame. How the price will behave during the next week, well, it's very hard to determine, because we can see the price is still in decision, bouncing up and down between these two price levels, and could not manage to make a significant move. Especially this is visible on the daily time frame, where we can see the price was moving up and then returning back down, up and down, up and down. So this means this area of resistance 1.16636 and support level 1.15847 are very important support and resistance levels, where the price is bouncing and needs to find enough strength to push the price in any of the directions. We can see that this area of resistance around this area here is also 1.17, very hard to make a bullish breakout, where the price could not reach this 1.17589 a resistance level, which is very hard for the price. So for now I'm still waiting where the price could move. For now there is still room for the price to reach again 1.166 resistance level, but we'll see how the Monday open. The Monday will confirm, is this the candle on the Friday the reason why the traders have closed their profits, that the reason why the price has returned back down, or the price has found enough bearish sentiment that pushing the price down, which means the Monday could close also as a bearish candle. So it's very important for me to see how the price will close on a Monday, and then I will know how the market reacts and in which direction the price could move for the rest of the week. Also feel free to join the premium analysis, the link will be below in the description, if you would like to receive the updates during the week, how the price behaves on the daily time frame, 4-hour time frame and 1-hour time frame, when there is bullish or bearish breakouts, like in this example I have shared inside the premium analysis. When this bullish breakout has formed, the target was around this area of the resistance. We can see after several hours the prices reached this target. So similar, there will be also information for the traders for the 1-hour time frame, 4-hour time frame, if you would like to receive these updates. Feel free to check the link below in the description and join other traders. That's all for this week. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.